Hey, come join me on the porch. Sit for a while. Aquaba, welcome to You Ain't Imagining This. This is one of those places where you don't have to rush into anything. So go ahead, have a seat, get comfortable. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Amma Robin, your sister host here in YAIT Town, and I'm resting on the front porch today. I've been thinking about something, how sometimes the tiredness we feel at the end of the day just doesn't make sense. Maybe you felt this too? You might look back and think, I didn't do that much today. Nothing dramatic happened. There were no big, huge moments. No obvious reason to feel this worn down. And yet, your body feels heavy. Your mind feels full. And something in you just isn't ready to go back out there yet. So you've noticed that too? That kind of tired, that feeling? Not from any one big thing, but maybe from 100 small things that never really let you rest. You may know it, the looking around before you speak, the adjusting your tone so it sounds just right, the deciding whether it's worth saying anything at all. The moment you realize you're the only one, again. Nothing you can point to and say, that's it, that's the reason. And maybe that's the hardest part of all this, because when there's no one clear moment, it's easy to tell ourselves that we shouldn't feel this way. But your body knows. Your body has been keeping track all day. Every pause, every calculation, every moment of holding back just a little bit, every tension. It adds up. And there's something important that I just realized. We were never meant to carry that kind of vigilance every single day. No one was. And yet, so many of us do, every single day. So if you're sitting here now with me, and you're also feeling that tiredness, that deep in your bones, hard to name kind, here's what I want to tell you. There's nothing wrong with you. And there's nothing wrong with me either. We might be responding to something that's been happening all day long, even if no one named it, even if no one else noticed it. Let's stay with that for a second. Because once you start to see something, once you see it, you cannot unsee it. But it's different here on the porch. This porch, this moment right here, this is a place where we don't have to track any of that. You don't have to measure your words. You don't have to anticipate anything. You don't have to be on. If your body is still holding it all, that's really okay. You don't have to force it to let go. Just let yourself notice it. And remember to acknowledge it, because it is real. Because that tiredness, that insomnia, that back pain, that stomach ache, the headache, the trembling, the racing mind, I could go on and on. Those might not be something to push through or to endure. They might be something that have been asking to be acknowledged. We've been carrying more than most people know, and you're not the only one who feels this way. Not even close. So sit here a while. Let your shoulders relax if they want to. Let your jaw relax. Let your breath relax. There's nothing to explain here. There's nothing to prove here. Just you noticing what's been there all along. And if something comes up for you this week or next week, something big or maybe something small, try not to brush past it. I invite you to come and share it. You can find me here on Substack and here on the Front Porch too. You can find the links in the show notes below. And remember, come as you are. Take what you need. The porch light is always on, and you ain't imagining this. If you want to understand this feeling a little more, I recorded a short 5-minute follow-up episode called There's a Name for This. The link to that episode is also in the show notes. You can listen to it right now. Ashe fam.